The StatCrunch method for calculating the test statistic and p-value are pretty straightforward. You'll find it in the same place where we were learning how to calculate confidence intervals. So under StatCrunch, we can go under Stat, Proportion Stats. Now be careful because even though it's a z-interval, we don't want to go to z-stats. We're going to go to Proportion Stats. And then we're going to do one sample with summary. Again, if we have a list of all the data, we can use that as well. But in this case, we have the summaries, so we'll click on this. So we've seen this menu before. All we're going to do is put in the number of successes and the number of observations. So according to this, we had 327 successes and 500 total observations. So we'll type that in, 327 out of 500. And our hypotheses are right here. We can type them in exactly as we wrote it in step 1. So going back up to the step 1, we have the equal to 0.60 and not equal to 0.60. So if I type in 0.60 here, you'll see it copies it automatically for the alternative, and then we can just choose the two-sided alternative, which is already selected here. After that, you can do compute. If you wish, you can click on the p-value plot so you can see this as well. And out comes our result. And you'll see you get the exact same answers that we had before. Our z-test statistic is listed right here. Our p-value is listed right here. Not only that, but it also calculated the sample proportion, which was the 327 divided by 500, as well as the standard error, the square root of p times q over n. If you click on the next button, because we selected that graph, you see we have the picture of the graph, just like what we were doing with the normal distribution. Except this time, instead of just showing one side, since we had a two-sided alternative with the not equal to sign, it actually shows both sides being shaded in, and gives us the same z statistic and the p-value.